Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another Dubai vlog. I want to say today is July 6th. So today is a really fun day. Excuse that kid. Oh my god, what's happening? Today we rented a yacht at the Marina Yacht Club and it's a super cool double-decker yacht. It's 50 feet long. I'm so excited. My friends are coming on and I'm just excited. We're gonna yacht in Dubai and then we're gonna go super far out, take some pictures, jump in the water. This is my outfit. I have my towel. They're on their way. I just got a salad. They're like getting it ready now. And the yacht club is like out there. There's like tons of boats and stuff. Here's the yacht. Seamaster 1. We have made it on the yacht. I think this is called the bow, the front or whatever. I can't wait to like jump in the water and actually. Amir's a little seasick, so we're gonna turn back around and relax for a little bit because it's really wavy. We can't even like practically walk, honestly. The boat is moving so much. Hi guys, I'm in the Persian Gulf. The water's warm, the weather's amazing. You guys amazing. My legs are tired. You coming in? Oh, we have a friend coming in. Here it is guys, the Seamaster. Are you having fun? Yeah. Okay guys, so I'm gonna do a little yacht tour. Say hi everyone. Hi. This is the crew. Can I show them down here? So we go down guys. We have some bunk beds if you have any guests. The master bedroom. Here I am. Just went for a swim. Then we have the bathroom. Now we're going up the stairs. Here are my two only friends in Dubai. We have, this is where I steer the boat. And then we have, what is that called, a dhow? Bugatti. Bugatti? Yeah, right, you're funny. Look at all the other boats. And then that Ferris wheel is in construction. And now let's go back down. Whoa, I'm like falling. But that's all she get, don't swipe my visa. Hey, I'm on the now, round in my club now. Yeah, don't give a fuck now. Best yacht day ever. Here's the entire boat. I think we're about to go for another swim before we head back. I love this yacht. I honestly want to live on this yacht and just travel the world and call this my house or my home. Our yacht day is and you guys enjoy yourselves? It was great. It was so fun. So fun. Today I'm going to the desert and I'm so excited because I'm literally gonna ride a freaking camel. I'm seeing the real actual Middle East desert. First we're going to brunch, then the desert. Friday brunch in Dubai is amazing. I got a cocktail, a glass of champagne. It's all Hollywood style and it's beautiful. I clearly went a little too much at the dessert table, but honestly, how could I not? Getting ready for the desert safari. People are staring at me, but I'm local now, so stop staring. I'm not a tourist, guys. Just kidding, but I'm in my thobe. I still haven't put my headpiece on and everything. But here is the desert safari car. We're gonna go dune bashing. We're in the desert practically. And I'm so ready to take my camel picture, ride the camel. So excited. I'm feeling very ethnic. Yana yana, yana yana, hala habibi, I have no idea what I'm saying. Favorite Arabic song ever though. started if you cannot tell. I'm in the desert and we just parked over so that we could all like take pictures. All the groups are like parked. Here's the desert and I'm literally the only one in an Emirati outfit. I guess all the tourists decided not to be, you know, ethnic, but I wanted to be real. So I'm in the outfit, but everyone else is in normal civilian clothing. But yeah, I'm in the desert. We've made it to the desert camp. I just rode an ATV, kind of like dune bashed on my own a little bit over there. And then I'm gonna ride a camel, which is over there. Then after the camel ride, we go into the actual desert camp and we get like fed. And I think we do shisha and some other stuff. So I'm getting stared at right now, so weird. But I'm ready to ride a camel. That's like one of the main things that I want to do in Dubai. So I'm so ready to get on the camel. And yeah, they're right over there. I also bought these in a gift shop, in like a little tourist shop, and I look like Harry Potter, but I love it so much. So don't judge me, but yeah. Uh-oh. Be nice. I'm sorry, honey. Whoa. Oh no. Oh my gosh. I'm on a camel. We're camel riding. How's the ride? Do you guys like it? Yeah. Is it fun? Yeah. I made some friends from Sweden. And here's the camel.